Hey everybody. If your touchscreen is lagging on your Android after your operating system's update and you are looking out how to fix it, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in. First of all, you can restart your device. So you can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option, and that should often easily fix the issue. But if the problem still persists, you may follow up the solutions. So for that, you can just go over and check for updates. You can go to your settings and again look out for the operating system and make sure the operating system is downloaded fully. So go to software update and once again look out for the download and install. And if there's any update available, you can update it. And also make sure the Google application is also updated to the latest version. So you can go to your Play Store and within there go to the search and search for your Play Store. And once you find Play Store, you may just go over and look out for your Google Play. So just go over and search for Google app and make sure these all applications within Google are updated to the latest version. You may just go over and do so. And also look out for any kind of other applications that needs to update and update it to their latest version respectively. Also clear up your Google application cache. So you can hold up your Google app and go to the app info. And within their info, you can just go over and scroll down, go to storage and tap on it and look out for clear cache and also clear the data if necessary. And that should also work up. Be aware you may need to sign in back in if you tap on this clear data in the bottom left corner of your screen. Apart from that, you can adjust the developer options. So head back to your main settings, go to your settings, and just go over, scroll down, and look out for the developer options and tap on it. And once you go to developer options, you can scroll down, go over and find the section for Windows animation scale and tap on it. And you can reduce the animation scale to 0.5x to speed up the animations. You may just go over and do so. And also check the touch sensitivity. Also, apart from that, ensure that your screen protector is not faulty or it's not improperly applied. So you can just go and check and also charge your device to at least 20% or higher once you have your Android device on your hands. And that is it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can follow for that. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.